Hello everyone, it's Aya and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna continue the constituency test. So if you didn't watch the last video, you should watch it and then continue this video. So a recap on what we have said in the last video. Constituency tests are tools used in linguistics to determine whether a group of words form a singular unit or consequent within a sentence. Consequents are the building blocks of sentence structure, and identifying them is crucial, and how they function grammatically. So in the previous video we discussed the substitution test and the movement test. Today we're gonna discuss the coordination test and the question form and the WH movement. Coordination test is a linguistic method used to identify constituent in a sentence. This test is based on the idea that only constituents of the same type can be coordinated or joined together using a conjunction like and or. So let's give some examples. First example is a noun phrase example. I saw the cat. The coordination here is I saw the cat and the dog. The cat and the dog are noun phrases. Second example is a verb phrase example. She sings beautifully. The sentence is gonna change into she sings beautifully and dances gratefully. Sings beautifully and dances gratefully are verb phrases. And the third example is adjective phrase. He is tall. The coordination here is he is tall and handsome. Tall and handsome are adjective phrases. And now we're gonna move to the WH movement. WH movement and question formation are key concepts in the study of syntax within linguistics. They refer to the processes involved in forming questions and involved in the movement of WH words, which are who, what, where, when, why, and how, to the front of the sentence. Now the example here says, you saw what? So the WH word came at the end of the sentence. While the other sentence, what did you see? The WH word come at the beginning of the sentence. The question formation. Yes or no questions, these do not involve WH movement but often involve subject, auxiliary, and virgin. For example, we are coming. We're gonna change the question into a yes or no form. So it's gonna be, are you coming? So the answer is gonna be whether it's yes or no. Yes, I'm coming, or no, I'm not. WH question involves both movement of a WH word and sometimes subject auxiliary. For example, you will eat what? The question is supposed to be, what will you eat? Types of WH question. Subject question. When the WH word is subject of the sentence, for example, who is coming, there's no needed to use an auxiliary. An object question. When the WH word is the object of the sentence, for example, what do you see? Both WH movement and auxiliary inversion are needed. In the adverbial question, when the WH word functions as an adverb, how, when, why, where, for example, why are you late? That involves the WH movement and auxiliary inversion. Okay, an important question here. Why do we use constituency test? First, identify units to figure out which group of words stick together and unit within a sentence. Second, understand structure to reveal the hierarchical structure of a sentence, showing how smaller units combine to form larger ones. And third, analyze syntax to help linguists describe and analyze the rule governing sentence formation. Overall, constituency tests are essential tools for linguists to identify and analyze the structure of the sentence. By applying these tests, we can determine which words group together to form unit, revealing the hierarchical organization of language. This understanding is fundamental for studying syntax and understanding how language construct meaning. Hope you all now understand the constituency test, and I hope this video was interesting and useful to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.